Southern Mom here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having an absolutely wonderful day. Thank you so much for being here. I do truly appreciate it. As you can see from the description below, we have a brand new subscription to unbox and I am super excited. It is the Hey Mamacita, the ladies box, and it says Me Time Delivered. This subscription is $39.99 a month, and it is a variety of lifestyle beauty items, and they are the popular brands, and you know, it's supposed to have a high value. So I am super excited to dive in here and see what this is all about. I'm super excited. This is a box that I have really been eyeing and think is going to be amazing. So we're going to find out in just a minute. I do want to remind you that I do have the 1,500 subscriber giveaway going on. So if you want to be entered, make sure you are subscribed. The link will be below. And also make sure to turn on your notification bell if you have not already, as I will be doing some live giveaways coming up. So again, thank you for being here, and please give the video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. But let's get to unboxing. I am super excited. So this is the February 2019 Hey Mamacita. So let's open her up. I'm so excited. All right. All right. So this is what we see when we open it. Beautiful pink squigglies. So let's see. This first item on top is let me see if there's a card. Let me see if there's a card. There is. Okay. Ooh, I'm getting squigglies all over my shirt. All right. Okay, so we do have a card. It does tell us about each item, so that is always great. I love when this is included in subscription boxes. So the very first item is Cake Body Balm, made with aloe vera, coconut oil, shea butter, and green tea extract to soothe, smooth, and hydrate. Cake Body Balm was named Total Beauty's number 13 best smelling lotion of all time. It says heavy cream, rich vanilla shea butter, totally to die for, intensely smoothing body butter balm. It is cruelty free and vegan, which I love. So let's see. That smells amazing, you guys. This smells delicious. Are you kidding me right now? Oh my gosh. That is awesome. I love that. Okay. So then let's see. What is this? We have something wrapped up here. And this is from Dainty Talks. Oh, this is so cute. Okay. This is a bracelet. It says a sterling silver gem is handmade by Emma Can Talk of Dainty Talks in the United Kingdom. You guys, look how beautiful. That is so pretty. That is like, it's simple, but just beautiful. Oh, I love that. That is gorgeous. Oh. So I'm loving this box so far. And like I said, it said it would be a mixture of beauty and lifestyle products. And they're supposed to all be like well-known brands and things like that. So I'm excited to see what else is in here. All right. The next product. Oh, I recognize this one. This is from Tarte. This is the Tartiest lip paint in Rosé. I have it upside down. I have it upside down. So there is that. That is awesome. Yes, yes, yes. Love Tart. It is one of my favorites. That is a very pretty color. Y'all, this box is killing it so far. Are you kidding me right now? Y'all, this is from Stila, the Glitter and Glow Highlighter in Monarch. You see how beautiful that is? It's like so glittery and gorgeous. Yes. Are you kidding me? Oh my goodness, y'all. And then we have this is a Morphe lip topper in Mind Reader. How beautiful is that? You guys, are you kidding? Tarte, Stila, Morphe, are you kidding me right now? Oh my goodness. Okay. This box is awesome. Oh, what? Oh, you guys. Oh my gosh. Oh, this box is perfect. Are you kidding me right now? This is from World Market. This is a strawberry and champagne dark chocolate. It says, indulge in the decadence of sweet strawberry bits in rich dark chocolate with a hint of champagne flavor. Yes, please. Oh my goodness. Y'all, you know that is going to be amazing. Oh my goodness. Oh, y'all, I'm just like, are you for real right now? And Lily, there was one more thing in here. And this is from Victoria's Secret. It's a sheet mask. Treat yourself to a mini facial with the Afterglow sheet mask. It says, oh, that Afterglow. Refreshing face mask with T complex. Oh my gosh, y'all, this box did not disappoint in any way, shape, or form. Are you kidding me? We got the Victoria's Secret sheet mask, the Stila Glow, I forgot now, I'm stuttering, Glitter and Glow, which is gorgeous, the Tarte lip paint, the Morphe lip topper, the Cake body cream, the... I just can't wait. I'm not gonna lie. Like this delicious sounding strawberry champagne chocolate bar, like the beautiful little bracelet that is just gorgeous. Y'all, are you kidding me? This box is fabulous. Oh my gosh. I will make sure to leave a link down below if you would like to sign up for Hey Mamacita. I can guarantee that you will not be disappointed. Like, I am literally grinning from ear to ear right now. This box is super fabulous. So I hope you enjoyed, and let me know in the comments what you guys think. I absolutely think this box is amazing and definitely, to me, worth the $39.99. I know that you can get the box cheaper if you like go ahead and prepay for 3 months or 6 months. But like I said, I will leave a link down below if you would like to sign up for the Hey Mamacita and treat yourself. I just realized here it says you deserve it, because we all do. So I hope that you enjoyed the video. Again, please in the comments, let me know what you think. I am just like, oh my gosh, I love this box. So again, I will leave that link down below. Go sign up and get you this amazing box. And don't forget, I will have that link as well down below for the 1,500 subscriber giveaway. And I will talk with you guys with the next video. Bye.